Alright, boys and girls, and super welcome to Gordon Guitar. I want to share with you role models. Look at that woman. So this is a guitar song, 100%. We have 3 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. We're going to look at them and then learn the strumming, and that's it, guys. So look at that woman, cool song from Role Model. Let's take a look at the chords. So we're going clean here, no need for capo, and we're going to start with the D-A chord. All right, we're going to do the D and the C shape, so to speak. It looks like this, and then we're going to add the A note above there. So the chord or grip looks like this. This gives us 5th on E string, 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Okay, so that's the D-A chord. Then we go over to the E minor 7. Very simple, this one. You only need to hold the 2nd fret on A string. All the other strings are open. From E down to the high E, all strings open except from the 2nd A string. That's E minor 7. And then we'll go with the G chord and we'll have this grip, all right? Almost as we usually do with the G, but we'll take away the last 3rd E string. So that gives us 3rd on E string in the bass, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. So that is the chord progression through the entire song, the D-A, the E minor, and the G. All right, so let's take a look at the strumming now. So the first 2 chords, they will be strummed in the same way, the D-A and the E minor 7. And it will be like this. Okay, so you play 2 downs first, so. And then comes down, up, down, up. So you're gonna do 1 of these per chord. So D-A, 1, that E minor, 7, 1 of these. So together it goes like this. And then we have the final G chord. It's a bit longer, so it goes in the same way to start with. So you're gonna play down, 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 up, down, up. So far it's the same as the D-A and E minor 7, but the ending will be when you play the down, 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 up, you have a short pause there, and then you play up, and then down, up in the end. So you play the same as the D-A and E minor 7, the down, 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 up, and then you have a short pause, and then you play up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So the G is. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's it. So that gives us 1 chord progression around that goes. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for it. All right, so I think you get it, guys and girls, role models. Look at that woman. Good luck with this guitar song and play tuned.